adventurers. We are here in Beaver Bay. We're gonna do a one-night backpacking trip into Beaver River on Spear Hiking Trail. Ooh, let's go. Getting started here next to the beautiful slag pit water treatment facility. Alright, it is about 85 degrees today.
Yeah.
It is hot, hot, hot.
Especially in the sun.
We have reached the Beaver River.
No beavers. Disappointed.
No beavers. Water's a little low, which everything is a little low right now, especially at this time of year. Got a little water measurement thing down there. Woohoo! Beaver River. Alright, we just cut off after the bridge. We cut off the ATV trail onto the actual Superior hiking trail.
Yay.
Yay!
Coming the opposite way this time.
There's a duck on the rock out there.
Rock formation going on.
The first campsite is about a mile in, and that one had a few people staying at it. It looked like 4 or 5 people staying there, maybe more. So we're gonna head to the south campsite and check that one out. That one I think is like a quarter mile down further. Let's see how many people are down there. Hiking up along the river here. We're climbing up a little ridge next to the river. And the river is getting a little more rapidy. At this southern campsite there's some pretty awesome rapids. Alright, we've arrived here at the campsite. I think I'm going to set up my tent right about here. There are several other people here at the campsite, so kind of got to squeeze in where we fit. Okay, so got my tent all set up. As some of you may have noticed, I have a new tent. It is the MSR Hubba Hubba. It is a hand-me-down. It's my dad's old tent. All the elastic shock cord in the poles were all shot, so I had to put new elastic in them all last night, and it worked beautifully. Thank you, MSR, for making easily repairable poles and even a repair kit that you can buy for, I think it was like $29. I think it was cheaper than that. It might have been $14. But yeah, so far I'm liking this tent. So the campsite is just off of the Beaver River here. And right at the campsite there's some pretty awesome rapids. I came down a little bit to the bottom. I'm gonna try throwing my line in and see what I catch. I think this pool right here would be great for seeing if there's some fish in there. Alright, let's see if we can get a spot in the shade over here. Okay. That is awesome. So these are the falls right next to the campsite. The campsite is just up on top of this flat ridge part beyond those trees. So I will be sleeping tonight to the sound of this waterfall. Some of you may remember my video from Interstate State Park in Minnesota with the potholes, the glacial potholes. Well, here's some of these same kind of formation, except these aren't formed by glaciers, these are formed by the river here. All these rocks at the bottom, when the water floods over this and rushes over it, moves those rocks around, creating that hole. Some more over here. We've been sitting here for about 2 or so hours, probably more. I'm just sitting right here putting my feet in the water, but getting a little hungry, so we're gonna go make some dinner. It's about 4 o'clock, a little early, but hey, that's the nice thing about backpacking. You're the boss. Let's go eat some food. Dinner time. Doing the Peak Refuel chicken teriyaki rice. Nate's got the Mountain House beef stew. Good stuff. Alright, here we have the top side of the falls. Woohoo! Beautiful. Sun's just going down. We ate dinner and we pretty much spent the whole night here just kind of playing on the rocks, soaking our feet in the water. It's been lots of fun. See if we could see any awesome sunsets tonight. Alright, adventurers. It's about 9 o'clock. I had a wonderful day, and now I'm tired, so we're gonna head to bed. See you in the morning. Good morning, adventurers. About it's 8:30. It's time to get up, start packing up our stuff, and have some breakfast. Got some cereal bars coming up. Alrighty, we'll show you guys around the campsite here. There's a tent pad over here. There was people here this morning. Everybody's gone but us so far. There were 2 people. And there's 2 tents they had in these spots here. Somebody had a tent over here. Here we got the lovely fire pit. But no fire, there's a fire ban currently. Nate had his tent right here. There is somebody camping down there, but they're nowhere to be found. And here's where I camped. Yeah, the guy with the tent down there, he is never here, but his tent is here. He came at about 9 o'clock last night and went to bed. And when I woke up this morning, he was gone. Strange. We got some Lucky Charms breakfast bars for breakfast. Nate's got some oatmeal cooking. Yum. Why not have come breakfast over here? Come have breakfast over here. Gorgeous morning, gorgeous morning. It's about 70 degrees. I think it's only supposed to get to like 74 today. Much cooler than yesterday. Very nice. Alrighty, we're all packed up, ready to go. It's about a mile back to the car. Okay, adventurers, that was an easy mile back to the car. That was an awesome night. Very relaxing. Did you have a good time?
Oh yeah.
Yay! Check me out next week on Happy Trail Backpacking.